But how does the world's most expensive fruit turn into premium cooking oil? Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of food engineering. Every single day, over 100,000 pounds of Hass avocados arrive here. But here is the first mind-blowing fact. High-speed optical lasers scan each fruit. If internal moisture is even 2% off, the robotic arms instantly reject it. Cleanliness here is next level. The avocados are blasted with high-pressure, ozone-infused water. Here is a wild scientific fact. Ozone water kills bacteria 3,000 times faster than chlorine. Ensuring absolutely no soil contaminates the upcoming extraction. In this USA facility, none of this goes to waste. Over 15 tons of pits are crushed daily and sold to local green energy plants. Now, the true secret of flavor retention begins. The pure avocado paste is continuously kneaded in oxygen-free stainless steel tanks. But why oxygen-free? Because exposure to air for just 10 minutes can destroy 60% of the vitamin E. Spinning at a mind-bending 3,500 revolutions per minute. It creates a force 3,000 times stronger than Earth's gravity, instantly separating solids, water, and pure oil. That is why it is literally called liquid green gold.
It can withstand temperatures that would cause olive oil to burst into smoke and release carcinogens.
The USA process is flawless, scientific, and premium. But can this high-tech perfection with the jaw-dropping production scale of China? Let's cross the Pacific Ocean to...
Welcome to China, where the word massive is an understatement. Colossal dump trucks unload over 500 tons of avocados directly into underground mega silos every single day. They process in just 1 week what a standard factory processes in an entire month. With this level of volume, traditional scrubbing brushes are just too slow.
These pools generate microscopic bubbles using high-frequency sound waves. The collapsing bubbles create tiny shock waves that blast away bacteria.
This ultrasonic technology perfectly cleans a jaw-dropping 50,000 avocados every single hour.
Processing over 15 tons per hour. These titanium-coated screws apply immense pressure. This raw display of unstoppable industrial power is just the beginning. Next, the paste enters the malaxation matrix, a room so large you cannot see the end of it. While the USA focuses strictly on cold pressing below 50 degrees, this Chinese facility pushes the heat to 55 degrees. Why use one centrifuge when you can use 20?
This completely automated track fills, caps, and labels a staggering 1,200 bottles every single minute.
That is 20 bottles per second. This is China's industrial might. Unstoppable, massive, and fast. Versus China's mind-blowing, hyperspeed, colossal industrial might.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.